Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank and I'll be the man behind the camera. In today's video, we're installing the Elevate lowering springs on our 2007 Volvo S80 V8. Before the video starts, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. So like you guys saw in the intro, today we're going to a shop that is going to be installing our Elevate lowering springs. Before the video actually gets on, guys, I wanted to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to Elevate because they have sponsored this video for us. So thank you to Elevate, guys. If you need any type of Volvo performance parts, make sure to go down in the description below. There is going to be a link to their website, Elevate Performance. They are amazing, guys. They do a bunch of cool mods like the one we're going to be installing today on the V8. Alright, enough of me talking. I'll see you guys at the shop.
Baby bet, ayy, couple racks, ayy, couple Grammys on him, couple plaques, ayy, that's a fact, ayy, throw it back, ayy, throw it back, ayy, and this one is for the champions. Ain't lost since I began, yo. Funny how you said it was the year, yo. You know we did it again, yo. I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. Don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them I ain't laying low. You was never really rooting for me anyway. When I'm back up at the top, I wanna hear you say, you don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them that the break is over.
So I got to the destination. We are at Dio Automotive Services in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. Guys, I'll cue to you guys some B-rolls of the area here. They're pretty familiar with Volvos, let's say. They have a couple of Volvos here. This is where we will bring the S60R in a couple of weeks to get the full build going. We're going to be taking the heads out and the turbocharger out to rebuild and hybrid it with the parts that we received. There will be an update video on the S60R very soon, guys, so stay tuned. I'll cue to you guys some of the B-rolls.
Fall off, I just ain't release my new shit. I blew up and everybody trying to sue me. You call me Nas, but the hood call me Doobie. And this one is for the champions. Ain't lost since I began, yo. Funny how you said it was the year, yo. You know we did it again, yo. I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for.
Alright guys, enough of admiring the cars out here. It's time to go inside and get the lowering springs installed.
I'll get your soul, just tell.
Alright guys, so both front shocks are out. They were taken out. We are currently removing all of the springs to change it for the Elevate lowering springs. Elevate claims that it is a 2-inch lower drop than the original factory suspension. You guys will see with the little B-rolls that I show you, the difference is massive. Don't forget, the factory suspension is very, very soft, more cushiony to have a more comfortable feel on the road, and the Elevate suspension is going to be way more stiff, harder to have a better sport and a better feel of the road when you drive. I'll keep you guys some B-rolls of the difference. It's absolutely crazy, guys. It is literally the size of my hand. Alright guys, everything is now installed on the car. We're gonna go for a quick test drive and then I'll show you guys the final result. I cannot wait, guys. I'm super excited. The project is coming together. Next thing to do would be the carbon fiber body kit that we still need to work on, and then the wrap and probably a window tint just to get it dialed in. But this is gonna be the first step to completing the build, guys. Exhaust and a beautiful drop. This is gonna be insane. I cannot wait to show you guys the final result. Alright guys, now we're gonna go for a quick test drive to make sure there's no noise, no nothing. It is sitting solo, guys. It is absolutely crazy. Once we do the spacers and all of the body kit, this is gonna be one hella aggressive S80 V8. Bonus, you guys get to get the amazing sound. You can feel the difference of how more stiff the suspension is already. And guys, don't forget, suspension takes about 1 week to 2 weeks before it settles in at the perfect height, which is gonna be about half an inch to 1 inch even lower than what it is right now. And you guys will see when I cue the B-rolls at the end, it is very, very low. It's absolutely perfect. The only thing it's missing, like I said earlier, is some spacers. Alright guys, so final result is absolutely insane. I cannot describe how perfect this is. The only thing we're missing now is some beautiful spacers to make everything flush with the fenders. I cannot say thank you enough over to the garage at DO Auto Service. They did an amazing job, guys. Huge shout out to them. And also shout out to today's sponsor, Elevate. Shout out to Don over there at Elevate. Thank you guys so much for making this happen for us. We are super happy, super stoked, and super satisfied with the product that came out. Amazing quality and everything, guys. Make sure you check out Elevate. The link's going to be down in the description below for your Volvo part needs. This is going to be enough, and it's a pretty long video, guys. We like to make longer videos now, so we're going to try to make it as long as possible to make a better viewing experience for you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any content from Tank Garage. See you, boys.